Hi, financial correspondent Jen Rezac here with Calvin Getz of Strategy Financial Group. Now, when you change jobs or leave the workforce, you might wonder what to do with that old 401k. This is a great question. So Calvin, what do we consider when it comes to those old retirement accounts?
Sure. Well, there's a lot of options that you have. So one is to leave it in the current 401k plan. Some of those plans may have lower expenses. Another option is to roll it over to a traditional IRA or even convert portions or all of it to a Roth IRA. One of the benefits within an IRA is that you may have different investment options that weren't offered in a company plan, like individual stocks or certain types of annuities to generate income in retirement. But you want to be aware of the different fees that are involved. Sometimes it's more expensive when you roll the money over to a traditional IRA than leaving it in the 401k plan, but it still may make sense if there's more value in the different asset classes you can invest in.
So really the bottom line is there are a lot of options we can do with that 401k, but we don't want to just leave it there. We're not going to be able to get income out of it if we just leave it.
I mean, some plans may offer the ability to generate income,
Sure.
but typically within an IRA you have more flexibility in what those choices are. Just be aware of any fees or expenses. And also be mindful of your age. If you're over age 59 and a half, then you can start accessing that money out of an IRA pre-tax. If you left it in a 401k, you may be able to access it after age 55 if you separate from service.
So a lot to know there. Tell us about some of the resources you have to help our viewers educate themselves on these tools.
Sure. That's why we've created the Retirement Roadmap book and the kit that discusses these different options on 401k rollovers and the pros and cons of doing it.
So you can call, text, or go online to get Calvin's Retirement Roadmap kit. Thanks for watching this week's Retirement Report.